It is really a satisfying experience after installing Windows 11. It's very much stable. The performance of overall Windows 11 is great. In this video, we are going to explore Microsoft Store, completely a different, a new version of Microsoft Store in Windows 11. So we just have to click on Start and we need to go to Microsoft Store. They have actually worked a lot on it, I must say that. So overall experience, overall look and feel is really great. So if I go to apps, I get a lot of categories. Top free apps where we can install WhatsApp desktop, Telegram desktop, Instagram, Netflix. We can download and install Spotify from Microsoft Store, Discord, the best productivity apps where we can install Zoom, Adobe Lightroom, creativity apps. Even Canva is here. That's really great. It is very much organized. This Microsoft Store is designed for gaming as well. So if I click on this gaming tab, I get a lot of options here. I'm sure you will love this and you can try. Overall, the response, the performance of Microsoft Store is faster. So if I compare Microsoft Store of Windows 10 to Windows 11, I have found out it's way faster, way better, and way organized. So I must say that you should upgrade to Windows 11. And if you have already installed Windows 11, please check out the Microsoft Store. I hope this short video is useful to you. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.